This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda McDonald. Enjoy the sunshine and warm tropical air while watching the boats go by from this spectacular 5th floor condo with expansive Caloosahatchee River views. Spacious Castille Floorplan. Remodeled and freshly painted with 3 bedrooms/2 half baths, hot water heater 2021, new lighting and fans installed throughout, Hunter Douglas blinds in bedrooms, new COREtec vinyl plank flooring throughout living space and lanai, new Suncoast Iron Category 5 design front door, new air conditioner pump safety device to keep lines from clogging, and new paint and screens on lanai. 2-car garage with fluorescent lighting and epoxy floor located on the 2nd level. Building is currently going through prefacing of exterior including painting and landscaping. Some amenities herein available but not offered. Living area square feet. Per developer floor plan. Master Association fee $1,750 annually, condo fee $4,144 quarterly. Furniture included with some exclusions. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda McDonald at 239-466-9905.